Hello, dear learners. Welcome again to Eteta TV. My name is teacher Ramadhan Kidegesho. I'm here to teach you English Baseline Orientation course. In this lesson, I will teach you classification of living things. Classification of living things. Dear learner, what do you understand by classification of living things? Classification of living things, we can say, is the grouping of living organisms based on their basic shared characteristics. Grouping of living things based on their shared characteristics or similar characteristics. The scientists in the world classify the organisms according to the similar characteristics. And this grouping system actually make it easier for scientists to learn about living things. So, dear learner, here I have some living organisms. What I need you from these living organisms is to group as animal or plant. I will mention here some living organisms. What I need from you is to group them as animal or plant. Lizard, tree, elephant, bird, bee, frog, maize plant, banana tree, butterfly, hen, grasshopper. So all living things can be classified into two major groups, which are plants and animals. So we have two major groups of living organisms. They are classified by scientists. The first one is the plant, and the second one is animals. The plant make their own food. The plant has a tendency of making their own food, and for that way, they are called autotrophs. Auto means self. Trophs means nutrition. So they can make their own food. But animals cannot make their own food. They depend the food from other living organisms. And for that case, they are called heterotrophs. So here we have autotrophs and we have heterotrophs. Dear learners, match the following characteristics of living things with the world below. We have mammal, we have bird, we have insect, and we have plants. So I have the characteristics here. You have to use the word which I mentioned to match with these characteristics. The first characteristic is stay in one place and have leaves. The second sentence, have antenna and compound eyes. Number 3, have hair and fur and give birth. And number 4, have feather and can fly. So use the word to match with the characteristics which I mentioned. Dear learners, may you take your dictionary. I have some words here which are more used in classification. What I need from you is to find the meaning of that word from your dictionary. The first word is grouping. The second one is kingdom. Number 3 is phylum. Number 4 is class. Another word is funge. Another is order. Another is mammals. Another is homogeneous. Another is species. And the last one is family. So use your dictionary to find the meaning of that words. Here I have the homework. The homework says, study the animals found around your home and classify them into their groups. Write the characteristics of each group. I'm repeating. Study the animals found around your home. Classify them into their groups and write the characteristics of each group. I hope that you have enjoyed the lesson. This point here, or this homework here, mark the end of my presentation. You were with me, teacher Ramadhan Kidegesho. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.